Hello Internet and welcome to my channel. This is just the first of I think 3, maybe 4 short videos I want to do about a product that I bought recently. It's practically a full review, but yeah, I think it's a no-nonsense review. It's just like, you know, straight as it comes. Nothing is being given to me. I buy all my products, and I think that's supposed to be how the reviews are done. If the producer doesn't like it, well, you know, my interest is for the user, not a producer. Anyway, just so to start, we're going to talk about the HGLRC Sector 132 4K Pound and Fly, and here is the unboxing. So let's see what we got. We got the quad himself. This is supposed to be like a Cinewoop style. It has its own prop guards, motors. They are forward HGLTS. Oh, I see, HGL Tech. Forward. Never heard of those, but yeah, they're 3,800 kV. It has a QC passed, so they have also a QC, a quality control, which is starting to give me a bit of a no, it gives me a bit of confidence in this product, which is good. Screws, little stubby aerial, some camera adapters, possibly an FR Sky adapter for the receiver, which should be already installed. Props. These must be 3 inches or 3.5 inches props. Let's see what else. More props. More screws. Another 2 props. Battery straps, very nice. I had to buy some recently because the battery straps on another quad I bought, they were totally rubbish, and this seems pretty good. They are like kind of faux leathers outside, but they actually stitched and not just glued. Okay, cool, yeah. At first glance, very good quality. Certification doesn't say the model or the checker, but it was done on the 2020, 4th of July 2020. There you go. Doesn't say it did, so hey, I'll find you guys. Stickers, HGLRC, I can't pronounce it, HGLRC. Oh, that's the FR Sky. I request an FR Sky receiver, an XM Plus. Get some telemetry as well, and instructions. And finally, the instructions are legible. Fantastic. I don't know if you can see it, but actually, put it this way. They are legible. These are the channels of and this is actual proper diagram on how all this is connected together, which is good. Same thing in Chinese. I think it's Chinese. Yeah, okay. It's mentioned as a racing drone. I mean, like, I don't know if there is any racing drone with the prop cards, but yeah, maybe it's an interior racing drone. I don't know. Let's see at first glance how all this is put together. Okay. Alright then, I hope you enjoyed. Blue sky to everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Look at for the next video for the actual review of the product.